next topic is cross product or vector product. What is the topic? Cross product or vector product. Okay. For any non-zero vectors A and B, the cross product or vector product is defined as A cross B equal to modulus of A into modulus of B into sine theta into n cap. See the result of this product. Modulus of vector A, magnitude of the vector, you know it is a scalar. Modulus of B, again it is a scalar. What about sine theta? Sine of any angle is a number, that is also scalar. N cap, see the vector n cap, okay, which is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction is from A to B. Okay, not the point. The unit vector n cap is perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction is from A to B. Okay, and the total result, mod A, mod B, sine theta, all are scalars, but n cap is a vector. That means the result is a vector. That's why it is known as vector product. Okay. And because of the symbol cross in between the vectors A and B, it is also known as cross product. Okay. We can define the cross product A cross B as mod A, mod B, sine theta into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction is from A to B. Its direction is from A to B. Okay, then what will be B cross A? B cross A, that is modulus of B into modulus of A into sine theta into n cap, and where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular both A and B, but its direction is from B to A, opposite direction. That is why A cross B and B cross A are not equal. They are negative of one another. A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. That means cross product is anti-commutative. Don't forget, okay, we have studied dot product is commutative. It is a scalar. A dot B equal to B dot A. But cross product is not commutative since it is a vector. Okay, then in the definition A cross B, see mod A mod B sine theta into n cap. Okay, we studied n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors A and B, and its direction is from A to B. You have studied the right hand screw rule. Two rules you have studied in 11th standard physics, left hand thumb rule and right hand screw rule. Okay, what is right hand screw rule? According to that rule, the vectors A, B, N form a right-handed system. That is, the right-handed system rotated from A to B shows in the direction of N. Okay, the right-handed system, the right-hand screw, when we are tightening the screw, the right-hand system from A to B moves in the direction of N. That is why the vector N is perpendicular to both A and B, or the vectors A, B, N form a right-handed orientation, and because of this definition, A cross B is the vector perpendicular to both A and B. Don't forget, if the question find the vector perpendicular to A and B, which is that vector? A cross B. The vector perpendicular to both A and B is the vector A cross B. Okay, then can you say the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B? The perpendicular vector is A cross B. How will you find the unit perpendicular vector? A cross B by modulus of A cross B. Okay, not both the condition. The vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B. The unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B by modulus of A cross B. Both are important questions. Okay, and in this definition, if the angle theta equal to 0 or 180 degree, if the angle theta is 0 or 180 degree, what does it mean? 0 or 180. Yes, if the angle between A and B is 0 degree or 180 degree means the vectors are parallel or on the same line, that is collinear. Okay, then what will happen to A cross B? What is sine 0? 0. Sine 180? 0. Then A cross B becomes 0. Then the condition, if the vectors are collinear or parallel, their cross product equal to 0. Okay, we have studied one similar condition in dot product. Do you remember? If the vectors are perpendicular, then A dot B equal to 0. If the vectors are collinear or parallel, what will be A cross B? A cross B equal to 0. Okay, and if the angle theta equal to 90 degree, then A cross B, what is sine 90? 1. Then mod A into mod B into n cap. Okay, if theta equal to 90, if A and B are perpendicular vectors, then A cross B is modulus of A into modulus of B into n cap. Okay, and see the next condition. If the vectors A and B are unit perpendicular vectors, perpendicular means angle 90. Unit perpendicular vectors means modulus of A, modulus of B both are equal to 1. Then what happened to A cross B? A cross B equal to n cap, the next unit vector. See the condition? If the vectors A and B are unit perpendicular vectors, then A cross B equal to n cap. Okay, what is the condition? If the vectors A and B are unit perpendicular vectors, then A cross B equal to n cap. Okay, we know the standard unit perpendicular vectors, I along the x-axis, J along the y-axis and K along the z-axis. Okay, we can use the same condition, I cross J, see the same direction. You see the direction in the figure, I cross J equal to K. Okay, in the clockwise direction, I cross J is equal to K, J cross K is equal to I and K cross I is equal to J. But in the opposite direction, I cross K equal to minus J, K cross J equal to minus I and J cross K is equal to minus K. Okay, and see if the vectors are same, parallel, collinear, what about the dot product? 0. That is why I cross I, J cross J and K cross K all are equal to 0. Okay, and you don't forget the condition. A cross B is equal to mod A, mod B sin theta into n cap, where n cap is a unit perpendicular vector which is directed from A to B. Okay, and from this definition, A cross B is the vector perpendicular to both A and B. And a unit perpendicular vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B by modulus of A cross B. If the vectors are parallel or collinear, cross product is 0. If the angle between them, theta equal to 90 degree, A cross B is mod A, mod B into n cap. If the vectors are unit perpendicular, that means angle 90 and magnitude is 1, then A cross B equal to n cap. By using this property, we can say that I cross J is equal to K, J cross K is equal to I, and K cross I is equal to J, and in opposite direction, its sign becomes negative. Okay. And I cross I, J cross J, K cross, they are the same vectors, angle 0, then their cross product becomes 0. Okay, and we have studied one property. Okay, cross product is anti-commutative. A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. Okay, then next we can take modulus on both sides. Modulus of A cross B becomes mod A, mod B, mod sin theta into mod n cap. Okay, what is modulus of n cap? N cap is a unit vector. What is its magnitude? 1. Then modulus of A cross B becomes mod A, mod B into sin theta. And from this condition, the angle between the vectors sin theta equal to modulus of A cross B by modulus of A into modulus of B. The angle between the vectors A and B sin theta equal to modulus of A cross B by modulus of A into modulus of B. Okay, and the next is very important property. The cross product is distributive under vector addition. Okay, what is it? We have studied in the case of numbers A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, and here A cross B plus C equal to A cross B plus A cross C. That is the distributive property over vector addition. Okay, and here we discuss some important point. The vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B. The unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is A cross B by modulus of A cross B. If the two vectors are collinear or parallel, their cross product equal to 0. Okay, and if A and B are two unit perpendicular vectors, then A cross B is the next unit vector n cap. That is why I cross J equal to K, J cross K and K cross I is equal to J. And in opposite direction, it becomes negative. and I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, which is equal to 0. The vector product is anti-commutative, but it is distributive. Okay, and angle between the two vectors sine theta equal to modulus of a cross b by modulus of a into modulus of b. Okay, we can discuss some more properties.